All right, 888 is the high in this OPTT and already gone above it, guys. Just printed 940. OPTT is a name we got to keep an eye on. All right, NSPR gap down from where they were, but they're starting to rise up. Let's keep a close eye on it. Markets are a little iffy. They're a little iffy. We're starting to see a pullback. Alpha Delta X-Ray Sierra ODXX. ADXX. Some of the Chinese tech names are making a strong move this morning. Alpha Papa Yankee X-Ray from yesterday, APYX carrying through. Alpha Papa Tango Kilo, Alpha Papa Tango X-Ray, Alpha Papa Tango X-Ray, Alpha Papa Yankee X-Ray, another name on the move. AVEO early jump. We saw what AVEO did yesterday. $150 is a very important price near term. OPTT, it might be one that you just have to kind of hang on to. Just buy and hang on. IntelliStat, ticker symbol I on the move.